Hello, good morning students. In the last classes, we studied about drugs and alcohol abuse. This video is about the effects of drug and alcohol abuse. The immediate adverse effects of drug and alcohol abuse are manifested in the form of reckless behavior without caring what they are doing. That is reckless behavior. And then vandalism and violence. What is vandalism? Damaging deliberately others' property. And excessive dose of drugs and alcohol may cause coma and may lead to death due to respiratory failure. Heart failure or hemorrhage. This combination of drugs or their intake along with alcohol results in overdosing and it leads to even death. So these are all the adverse effect of drugs. If you take drugs, all this will happen. Reckless behavior you will show. And then vandalism and violence you will undergo. And then excessive dose may lead to coma and it may lead to death due to respiratory and heart or hemorrhage. And then combination of drugs, different drugs or combination of drugs and alcohol results in overdosage and even it also causes death. There are different warning signs. The most common warning signs of drug and alcohol abuse are given below. See, warning signs means if you have all these characteristics, then we can find out that person is an addict to drug and alcohol. So what are the different warning signs of drug and alcohol abuse? First of all, drop in academic performance. He will not perform well in academics. And unexplained absence from school or college. He won't go to school properly. Lack of interest in personal hygiene. He won't take care of his body neatness. And then withdrawal. He will be a dropout from the school or college. He won't go to college or school at all. And then isolation. He keep himself isolate from family members or from friends also. And then he will be in a depression mode. Sometimes fatigue may cause fatigue, that is, he will become faint. And aggressive and rebellious behavior. He will be so aggressive. And then deteriorating relationships with family and friends. The relationship with family and friends will be decreased. And the loss of interest in hobbies. He will lose interest in hobbies. And then change in sleeping and eating habits also happen. And also fluctuations in weight and appetite also. These are all the warning signs of drug and alcohol abuse. If we see all these signs, then we can find out that person is an addict to drug and alcohol. And these are also some more effects of drug and alcohol abuse. If the abuser is unable to get money to buy drugs or alcohol, he may turn to steal money. So, if he could not get money to buy drugs and alcohol, he will take money from his own house also he will steal. At times, sometimes a drug or alcohol addict becomes the cause of mental and financial distress to his or her entire family and friends. Drug and alcohol addict will become a burden or they cause mental and financial problems to the family as well as to his or her friends. And those who take drug intravenously, that is by injection, are much more likely to acquire AIDS and hepatitis B. These two are very chronic and fatal diseases. They may get AIDS and hepatitis because AIDS and hepatitis, they are transmitted through infected needles and also through blood. And both AIDS and hepatitis B infections are chronic and fatal. Both can be transmitted through sexual contact or infected blood or needle. And use of alcohol during adolescence could lead to heavy drinking in adulthood. If they started to take drug in the adolescent stage, then it leads to heavy drinking in adulthood. And then chronic use of drugs and alcohol damages the nervous system and also liver. The damage of liver is known as cirrhosis. And during pregnancy, if the pregnant lady, if she takes drug, that affects the fetus also. So these are all the effects of taking alcohol and drug abuse. These are all the effects of alcohol and drug abuse. Another misuse of drugs is what certain sports person do to enhance their performance. Sports person, they also abuse these drugs to increase their muscle strength, thereby to increase their athletic performance. They abuse narcotic, analgesic, anabolic steroids, diuretics and certain hormones. These are all they are abused by sports person to increase their athletic performance. And now we'll see about the side effect of anabolic steroids. Sports person, they take steroids, and what are the side effects? The side effects in females and males we will study separately. In females, the side effects are masculinization. That means in females they develop men's character, and in females, in their character there is increased aggressiveness and also mood swings happen. Depression, they will become depressed, and abnormal menstrual cycle, excessive hair growth on the face and body, and enlargement of clitoris and deepening of voice. These are all the side effects of anabolic steroids in females. And then in males, they develop acne, and then here also increased aggressiveness, here also mood swings, and then depression also happens in males also, and then there is reduction in the size of the testicles, and also decreased sperm production, kidney and liver dysfunction, breast enlargement in males, and premature baldness and enlargement of the prostate gland. So these are all the side effects of anabolic steroids in males. If both males and females, severe facial and body acne develops, and then premature closure of the growth centers of the long bones result in stunted growth because of this alcohol and drug abuse. Next video, I will teach you about prevention and control of drug and alcohol abuse. Thank you, students.